Hi, I am Christian Ferrer Ermita. I am 18 years of age. I am a second year automotive technology student of Batangas State University, Balayan Campus. We are 7 in our family. Crescencio Ermita is my father. Serela Ermita is my mother. I am the fourth sibling of them. Welding, fabrication, and troubleshooting are my skill. I am a persistent student as to find out the trouble and fix it as long as possible. My hobbies are playing sepak and do some automotive work. I hope that you will choose me as your on-the-job training student. Thank you.